welcome to One Man's Collection. Today I'm looking at the Circuit Legends. I do not have all 5 of this selection. The Ferrari has eluded me. I'd say too many people are picking those up and just looted the shelves and that's it, they're gone. But I do have these 4. Now we're going to go and open these. I did buy these to open, not to collect. So if you're a keep it in the packet collector, apologies, but we are definitely opening. So the Circuit Legends, this is the 2024 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5FD. It's a nice looking detail on this one. Before we open it though, I actually don't mind the packaging too, it's pretty good. Have a quick look at what you do get. This is the Ferrari I'm missing for the 499p. If I find it, I'll probably get it. But the thing is, you've got to find it. So, loving this packaging. Obviously, what, a drift car, I'm guessing. Let's go pull it out. It's got some decent cardboard on this. It's not slicing with a fingernail. Let's try something else. Make sure we don't cut it. Done. Good little bubble pack for that one. File that. Oh, that's got some detail on it, hasn't it? It's almost like the entire car has been painted. I'd say it has. Wow. I like it. So, Nitto down the front there, sponsorship. Graphics all the way across the car. Excuse me, Type S. Actually, we have a windscreen. Oh yeah, we do too. Mustang RTR. I have not seen that before. Looks like the Porsche's got it too. Down the side, full graphics. Different wheels. The 5-spoke fluoro yellow. And a fully sealed. Honestly, it looks like it's running a spare, but I'm guessing it's for the drifting. Door is open. It has a frame shell in it. I'm actually really liking this. Look at the graphics on that. See if I can get the camera right. A little sponsorship. This is done really well. Rear end. Yeah. I will put this on the turntable so I can get a decent look at it. Excuse me. Honestly. Oh, man. Cough something up. Really well done. Let's go this way. There we go. 24 Ford Mustang RTR Spec 5FD. It's a 2024 copyright. And it's even got the shape of gearbox, extractors, mufflers. No muffler, exhaust pipe. No mufflers. And then this rear end is up much higher. Yeah, I will put that on the turntable. I don't want to handle it too much more. I'm worried about actually taking some of the details off. Alright, moving on. Number 3 of 5. So we've skipped the Ferrari because we haven't got it. Porsche 917KH. I definitely wanted this one and the other Porsche. I'm a bit of a collector of the Porsche. If you haven't seen my channel before, try to pick up as many as I can. And the Mustangs, among a few others. Alright, let's have a bit more detailed look on this one. Decent paint on this, decent decals. Definitely a red base. White and black over. Black wheels. Very deep dished there. Yeah, they are. Are they rubber? Yeah, they're a very hard rubber. That's upside down. So let's have a look. It's a 1998 or 90. I can't quite tell with that. Looks like a 98 copyright. So this one's been around for a while. Okay. I like it. I have the premium pack. I think it's come out of a 4-pack. This is the long tail version. Full metal base Porsche 917LH to go. So it kind of matches. This is a 2017 vehicle, this one. But I think they'll go well together in my Porsche diorama. You can actually see how much different that shape is, even the lights and stuff. But yeah, very good. I'll pop that on a turntable so you can have a good look at that as well. The Circuit Legends number 4 of 5 is the Pan Dem Subaru BRZ. Okay, don't know much about it, but it looks like it's got a pearlescent white. Let's get it out. Take a look at that. Nice heavy car on this one. As in the weight of this has got a bit of weight. Look at the pearlescence on that. They're doing really well with those new paint jobs. The purple and blue one that I got on the Porsche recently, and the 68 Custom Camaro was quite nice. Pan Dem on the side with some other advertising I can't read. Got the Subaru badge underneath the small spoiler there. Rear lights are actually done. Cool. Multi-spoke black. We have, okay, both have plastic on both sides of the windows, so there's no windows down. Air intake at the front. Oh, we do have printed on the intercooler. Very nice. So, have a look underneath. 2010? 2019? Hang on. 2018. So this one's been around for a while. I've missed that. Yep, rubber wheels. I think all of these do have rubber wheels. And they are all metal on metal. Alright, this looks like a Golf livery Porsche 911 GT3R 992. Definitely opening this one. That's a plastic rear spoiler, I can tell now. Got the carbon fibre print over the top. Hey, that actually looks pretty good. So I've got an orange shelf on the inside. Yep, and crossbar, roll cage. Yeah, roll cage inside is all orange, but the interior is black. Well, it is hard to see the interior in there. Too much glare as well. Looks like we've got printed the Lexan windows that they come on the race cars. Golf on the side there also has a little bit of orange in, what is that? Air intake? For the brakes to let it out, I guess, yeah. Orange stripe down the sides, at the bottom. Rear end's quite well done. I don't mind that. Orange stripe actually goes across the back window as well, and then across the roof with a carbon fibre finish. Yeah. And Porsche across the bonnet. Across the windscreen with the carbon fibre running down to the front. They've actually printed in the inside of here as well. Now I understand why these cost a little bit more. Actually, they cost a lot more. Now those side reflectors printed as well. Or they're just black. I think they're just painted black. Well done. So 2023 copyright 911 GT3 R992. Very happy to have that one in my collection. Put that on the turntable as well. Look, just a quick open of these new Race Legend or Circuit Legend cars. If I get the Ferrari, I'll probably make a separate video of that one. And that's it. Thank you very much for watching. A like, comment, subscribe. Cheers. Bye.